in the night, the lone wolf howls in the moon's light. No need for crowds. Eyes like a flame, heart on his own, wild and untamed, forever alone. Lone wolf calling across the sky, no one beside him, he knows why. Mountains he roams, valleys so deep, the wind in his bones, no promises to keep. Driven by instinct, no ties to hold, life on the brink, stories untold. Past left behind, wilderness ahead, peace he will find, no words ever said. Mountains he roams, valleys so deep, the wind in his bones, no promises to keep. Driven by instinct, no ties to hold, life on the brink, stories untold. Past left behind, wilderness ahead, peace he will find.